It's Kinder Playtime! Welcome to Kinder Playtime! Today we have the little Tikes tire twister. Let's get racing! We got it out of the box. The tire spins so easily. Check out the car. It has a blue side and a red side. The remote control is so cool. If you press one side, he rotates. If you press both sides, then he goes forward or backward. To play, we're gonna put him inside the wheel. Look how cool this is. Works outside the wheel. The tire twister is so much fun, even for little kids. I really like to take the car out and put it back in. I give this car a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.